this Leonardo.AI tutorial, we will be showing you how to create an image from an image. You will learn exactly how to use an existing image and make it look better by adding and removing things with a prompt and changing the settings. You will also learn how to make a portrait photo look better by using another reference picture and turning it into anything that you want. We will be using a free account on Leonardo.AI to create these so you can do everything that's shown in this tutorial without having to spend any money.
To start off, we're going to use this image to create a new image. You can find the homepage at Leonardo.AI, and after logging in, you will see this homepage. To create an image from an image, we will press Image Generation in the top left corner. Here we are going to select the Image Guidance tab to select the image that we will use to create the new image. We can upload it by clicking here. It's important to match the aspect ratio of the reference image for the best results. Check the aspect ratio here and make sure it matches the aspect ratio that's mentioned here. We're going to create two images each time we're making a new creating. You can create more if you want, but by creating just two, you will save some more of your credits. We want the focus of the new image to be the Burj Khalifa Tower in Dubai, so we will base our prompt off that. We can adjust how strongly the prompt will be considered when creating the new image, and also how strongly it will resemble the reference image. We're going to use the default settings for now, and press Generate. In our case, this will cost 11 tokens. We can see that the resemblance with the reference picture is quite high. It's mostly the tower itself that's altered in this image. By adjusting the image to image strength from 0.6 to 0.5, the AI will use more of its creativity to change the picture, while a higher number will create an image that looks more like the reference picture. We click Generate and end up with a picture that's slightly more impacted by the AI than the previous one. Let's see what happens when we turn the image to image strength further down to 0.3. Now, this looks much more like a drawing of the Burj Khalifa. The position and size of the Burj Khalifa is kind of similar, but it's clear that much more creativity was used to create the rest of the image. To adjust the image, we can also change the guidance scale. This will impact how strongly the text prompt influences the new image. If you want to give the text prompt a high influence, then you choose a high number, and if you want the opposite, you choose a low number. Leonardo.AI advises not to use 10 or higher. For our example, we will change it from 7 to 9. The result is an image that looks even more futuristic than the previous one. So far, we've been using the Leonardo Diffusion XL model for our creations. Let's see what happens when we choose another model while keeping the other settings the same. There are quite a few models to choose from currently, so you can switch around between them to get the look that you're aiming for. We're going with Absolute Reality 1.6 for now, to get an image that looks more real. With this settings, it looks a lot different from the reference image and looks more realistic than the previous images. We're now going to use this image of the Taj Mahal to explore Leonardo.AI's possibilities a bit more. First off, we will set the aspect ratio to 3.2. Just like the original. By pressing the lock, you can adjust the width or height all the way up or down according to your preferences without changing the aspect ratio. This will be our prompt to create a version of the image in a way that famous artist Monet would have painted it. With an image-to-image strength of 0.4, this is the result. Definitely a bit different and more artistic than the original. Now let's have a look at how you can use a portrait image and use another image to change its look. As our starting image, we will create a portrait image of Elon Musk by entering a prompt, but you could use any portrait photo that you wish to use by using the Image Guidance tab. Let's see what this prompt creates. We will put the aspect ratio to 16.9 to end up with an horizontal image. The results look pretty good. Let's stick with the first image as it shows more of Elon Musk's body. Now, we will look for an image that we will use as a reference to change our Elon Musk portrait. We can use any image that's displayed on the homepage of Leonardo.AI and copy the prompt. This image of a monkey seems interesting. Let's use it. Now we will go back to the image generation page and paste the prompt. First, we will upload the Elon Musk image to the Image Guidance tab, and then we paste the prompt. Let's use a guidance scale of 7. The low image-to-image strength that we entered came up with an image that gave more importance to the prompt than the reference image. Let's increase the strength to 0.5 to change that. Now it looks a bit more like Elon Musk, but it doesn't really look very good. Let's try it with a guidance scale of 0.5, so that the prompt will get less importance. Still not great. What about increasing the image-to-image strength of 0.6 to make it resemble the reference picture even more? Now it's looking pretty good. Leonardo.AI is all about playing around with the settings until you get that masterpiece that you were looking to create.
Okay, That's it, guys. Now you're an expert on creating an image from an image in Leonardo.AI. We would love to see what you created with this tool, so please do share your creations in the comments below. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.